Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to be doing a I forgot what it's called. I was just thinking about it. A slime supply haul that I like slime shopping type thing. I don't know. I did buy like not that many things, so it's not a huge haul. It's just like a random, it's a medium. Like it's not too small or not too big. So there was one thing that I got right now. Like literally, I have the receipt right here. Yeah, the purchase was made at the time. Where's the time? It literally says the time right here, doesn't it? I guess not. Because there used to be receipts with the time on it, the time that you bought it. But this one was today, right now. Like at 6 o'clock or 6:30, around there. So, yeah. I'm going to go on, not like this one. Not that one yet, because that one is for later. And the first one was from the 99-cent store. There's only 2 stores that I went to. Okay, the first one was the 99-cent store. And this bag. It's not like any other bag. Okay, the first thing that I got were 3 bottles of glitter glue. Not this one. Okay. 2. Let's see it. Okay, let me move my freaking hand out of the way. Those were the 3. I got blue, gold, and silver. So these 3. The brand, I just got them because they don't even work to make slime. I made that stupid idea of getting these without checking if they had PVA in it, which they don't, so they don't work. But luckily I did get glue that does have PVA in it. But yeah, I thought these colors were pretty, so I was stupid enough to get these and not check. These were all $1 since they were from the 99-cent store. They were $1. And then I got a pack of 6 glitters. I got gold to match like this one. Then I got a blue. Then a silver. They did have a green glitter glue, but I thought it was just ugly looking, so I didn't get that one. I think the green one's over here, the gold one's right there, the blue one's right there, the silver's over there, and the red's over there. So yeah, those are those that I got of the glitter glue. No, the glitter, I mean. I didn't even realize they were gonna match the glitter. The glitter glues. So those were $1 too. And then I got 2 bottles of clear glue. These do have PVA in it, so they do work. They're from the same brand that made the glitter glues. They're from Basic, and these have PVA in it, but these don't. So what the heck? And the total of that was $6.67. So it was cheap for all of this stuff, because mostly if you go to Michael's or Target or other places like that, it would come out more expensive, like spending a little bit over than $10 right there if you went to a regular store. So that's why I went to the 99 to get this stuff. So yeah, we'll put that stuff back in the bag. So everything was $1 there. Okay, for the last thing that y'all been waiting for, is, well, it's not that exciting. It's just like whatever. I got a gallon of liquid starch. You guys probably thought it was a gallon of glue. No, it's a gallon of liquid starch. See if you guys can see it. Yeah. I didn't even check before I bought this that if it had liquid starch. No, oh, duh. Didn't have starch in it or stuff like that. I didn't even check if it had like boric acid in it. So let's check the ingredients. Water, cornstarch, nope, acid, some acid, sodium. It should work because it has some acid in it. So. It has a lot of other things. Sodium tetraborate. I don't know. But I'm pretty sure it works. This thing plus tax was $3.03, so it wasn't that expensive either. We bought this from Winkles, so yeah, if you guys want to go get a bottle of liquid. It's not that big, it's only like compare it to my head. It's a little bit bigger than my head, so this thing is 64 full ounces. So you guys are going to see me using this very often in upcoming videos, so yeah. So those were the things that I bought for the haul. I've been wanting to do one of these for like a long time. I just haven't got the time to do it. But now that I do, I was very excited to do it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys. Well, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment down below, and drop a big like. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh snap! What the heck am I doing? Sorry. Hold on, I can't.